welcome to our video. They can't hear you. We have to go to game chat. Don't be bad, okay? Go to game chat. Yeah. Today we're teaching my brother how to be the best blacksmith of the server. Well, I'm the best blacksmith of the server. But we're teaching him how to be a good blacksmith.
I'm gonna be the best one. You're offline.
Okay, so we're pumping it. I already taught him how to put the copper in. Andre, you don't cook your chicken like that. He just finished the tutorial last night.
Chicken wing,
Andre.
chicken wing, chicken wing, chicken.
No. Andre, you gotta put it in here.
Chicken wing, chicken.
Oh my god.
Chicken wing!
I'm gonna go burn my hand so I could cook this chicken. Okay. Nothing. Andre, look at, we're cooking your chicken. 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 Andre, we have to put the copper in. Not take it out. Stop. Okay, see how it's 2? You need 3 material of the same type to make 1 ingot. So we only got 2 copper. Yeah, put that in there. Okay, Andre, stop. It's because that's full. Do I have to teach you? I'm going to teach you anyways, even if you say no. So, Andre, you ready to learn how to make some weapons? Andre. I can hear your mic. What are you doing back here? Get back here. Okay, fine, I won't teach you. Video just ends there. Bum, bum. Okay, Andre, come here. That's for removing things. I'll show you that soon. So, we gotta find the specific blade I'm starting you with. It's gonna be the best blade you could get right now for a one-handed weapon. Ooh. Oh yeah, we have to make your hammer.
What about this?
That's just like decoration.
Okay.
We gotta make your hammer. So Andre, see how it shows ingot times 5?
In.
Andre.
In.
Andre.
Here we go.
See how it shows ingot times 5? 5?
Yeah.
That means that you need 5 ingots. So watch. We're gonna.
I have 16 copper.
Okay, yeah. So we're gonna put the blueprint right here. Only put in 5 in here.
Okay.
Your slots are full. Why are you touching my buckles? Okay, so
I stole them off the ground.
it's okay. We're gonna need them for your backpack. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now close it. There we go. Now we come over here. Yeah, you could pump that if you want. It makes it go faster.
Yes.
Do you want to know a trick?
What?
Let go. Let go. Let go.
Look at my hands.
I know, you're actually kind of close. So watch, you grab it from back here, you walk in the game, and then you pump it super easily by just lifting your hands on. Because normally you have to actually pump like really, really hard. But boom, Andre!
Holy.
Your Oculus died? His Oculus died. Okay. Finger hammer. Bomb. 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 That's the fuel slot. The admin filled it. Guys, I found the spyglass in from Minecraft. Okay, we're gonna leave this. Oopsies. We're gonna leave this right here. This will be part 1. I'll resume the next video when his headset